Hello and welcome to my new subscribers. Lovely to have you here. I thought today I would experiment with my pillow paint, and I'm just going to try out another medium for my layer paint. Okay, so what I've mixed for my pillow paint, this is an experiment. I've not used this paint before. So this is a chrome washable, it's called a school paint, I think. Let me see. This is a classroom paint, okay? And in here I've mixed PVA glue and water. 30% water to 70%, sorry, 30% glue to 70% water. All right, and these two colours, this is coral and the sky blue. In the sky blue I've added some more sky blue pigment. This is metallic purple and coral. So with these two colours here, I've mixed the paint with a clear painting medium. I'll see how that works. My pillow paint. So this time I'll do a black, and I'll get the purple. Oh, I love that. I love that colour. And I'll go this one, sky blue. So pretty. And coral. I'll do some gold. That's what I'm going to do. I was going to do bloom technique. Should I do the bloom technique? And I'll use white. Oh dear. I just want to get that more centered. I tend to do that a bit. Alright, let's see what happens. And some white, cell activator. I think it's too thick. At least the paint is a bit more fluid this time. I've lost my colours and I reckon that's to do with, okay, the mediums I've used in here. So the painting medium, it does give you a really nice different effect, but as you can see, the paint tends to blend a bit more with the other paints. That's what it seems like to me. It's what I can see going on here. I actually I don't mind that, so I might just leave it. It's different. So yes, that's what's happened, I guess, with that painting medium together just with the metallic paints has blended with the base paint. But I don't mind that.